This lesson is on types of solutions. Most equations we have solved so far have only one solution. However, there are two special cases, no solution and infinite solution. Solve the equations below to see what happens. So one solution, we're going to use don't call me after midnight. I see that I do need to distribute. So that gives me 6x plus 27 equals -5 minus 2x. Next, see if I have to combine like terms. These cannot be combined and these cannot. So I'm going to skip that step and move to move terms. So this is my smaller variable. So I'm going to move it by adding 2x to both sides. So I get 8x plus 27 equals -5. Okay, so I've moved my variable on one side. I need to move this constant to the other. So I'm going to subtract 27 from both sides. And that leaves me with -32. Okay, so now I have moved. So I have my variable on one side and my constant on the other, and the last step is to multiply or divide. So I'm going to divide both sides by 8. And my answer is -4. So there is an example of one solution. Now let's do no solution. Again, don't call me after midnight. Here is distribute. I have 7x minus 9 minus 3x equals, time to distribute, we get 4x plus 12. Okay, combine like terms. So on this side of my equation, I can combine 7x and -3x to get 4x. And on this side, I can combine these constants to get 13. Okay, time to move it. So I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides. That cancels. That cancels. And I'm left with -9 equals 13. Well, since that is not true, that's why it is no solution. If what you're left with is not true, then it's no solution. Infinite solution. So we're going to start, oops, forgot my checklist. Don't call me after midnight. So we're going to distribute -6x plus 10. Okay, now I'm going to combine like terms. I can't combine these. On this side, I can combine those to get -6x. So let's rewrite, that's solving, putting those together to get -6x. All right, we've combined. Now it's time to move terms. So I'm going to add 6x to both sides. That cancels, and I'm left with 10. That cancels, and I'm left with 10. Well, 10 equals 10 is a true statement. So that is why it is infinite solution. Okay, what does this mean? This means that this is the only solution that will make the equation true. This means that there is no solution that will make the equation true. And there's a special symbol that looks like this, and that means no solution. This means that all solutions will make the equation true, or any solution will make the equation true. And this, we use the infinity symbol. All right, let's go through and do some more examples together. So again, I'm going to do my checklist. I see I need to distribute. Okay, so that's all I've done is take care of that. Now I'm going to see if I need to combine anything. Nothing on this side, but yes, I can combine those. 6x minus a given 1x is 5x. Okay, next thing I'm going to move variables. So I'm going to subtract 5x from both sides. That cancels, and I have -3 equals -3. That is a true statement. So my answer is infinite solutions. Number 2. Okay, I do not need to distribute. I do not need to combine like terms. I do need to move the variable, so I'm going to move -2n. -5 equals 7n plus 37. Okay, now I have n on this side. I need to move the constant to the other. So I'm going to subtract 37 from both sides. And I get -42 equals 7n. Okay, I have my constant on one side and my variable on the other. I'm done with these steps. Now I need to divide both sides by 7. I get n equals -6, or -6 equals n. So there's an example of one solution. Number 3. Distribute. Distribute here as well. 8 minus 2a equals -2a plus 16. Okay, combine? Nope, don't need to. So we're on move it. Add 2a to both sides. 8 equals, those cancel. 8 equals 16. That's not true. So my answer is no solution. Number 4. Distribute. Combine like terms. I can combine those to get a k minus 11. A. Now, at this point, if I take a look, I can see that what I have is equivalent. 8k minus 11 equals 8k minus 11. So since that is a true statement, I know it's going to be infinite solutions. But I can go ahead and keep going. That terminates. And I'm left with -11 equals -11. So infinite solutions. All right, page 12. Page 12 has problems number 5 through 12. What I want you to do is work these out on your own. Pause the video, work them out. And when you're finished working them out, then start the video again to check your work. Let me know if you need any help. Okay, number 5. The answer is C equals -8. Number 6, W equals -2. Number 7, no solution. Number 8, M equals 6. Number 9, infinite solutions. Number 10 was infinite solutions. Number 11, no solution. And number 12, no solution. If you did not get them correct, then go back and look and see if you can figure out why you didn't. And if you need help, come see Mr. Watson or me.